Hey guys, this is Dan Kraft here with the 2025 Grey Wolf 24 RRT toy hauler. It sleeps 33 feet 6 inches long, and you're looking at under 6,000 pound weight overall, which is really great. We're going to check everything out. We'll start with the outside and then go to the inside. As you can see, I'm out here grilling some steaks, making them look fancy, but you have ice maker in here, fridge, and obviously your outdoor grill. This does come off and actually comes with a flat top as well, so you can switch that out. Outdoor speakers, TV prep, have your cable and your plug outlets, all kinds of good fun outside when you're here. Large awning, LEDs underneath, so you really make your nightlife have a lot of fun when you're out. This is the back porch, also is the ramp. So as you can see on here, you have these wires that hold it up to 3,000 pounds that will hold when it's in this position. So you can, as you can see, we have the tables up there, you can sit there and relax. If you disconnect those wires, it goes all the way down to the ground. You open up these gates and you can drive your toys right into there. It makes it really simple to put it back up. We just reconnect those wires and close it back up. It makes it very simple to get your toys in and out and get out long back. We do have an RV king bed, so nice large sleeping area. You have wardrobes on each side. You can hang up some items. Overhead storage, and you have your outlet over there for your CPAP machine. There is some additional storage here, linen closets for clothing. Also, you have access here. You have an entryway door straight into the bedroom. Next to the bedroom is the bathroom. You have a large shower here with a small tub in it. Skylight above, so you can get in there and wash yourself real good. Kick flush toilet, sink, and medicine cabinet here in the bathroom. Pretty standard stuff, but looks real nice. Coming out into the kitchen area, you can see we have the 12-volt refrigerator. You do have storage here for pantry items. Large sink, cup cleaner, and sanitizer station. We have the air fryer, microwave, and 3 top cook burner. Lots of overhead storage throughout here. Place for your TV, the lovely fireplace here right below that area. And then as we turn to look at the back area here, you do have the 2 benches here that can also be 2 beds. The table will move in between there, and it's sort of your eating area. Table can lay in between there, so you can make a much larger bed as well. So lots of really nice setups you can have in the back here. You do have large window setups on this side and on this side here. And of course, we're going to walk out onto the porch. You have these that will retract up into the wall, so they'll create a lot of space for your toys, whether you got motorcycles, golf carts, or whatever you might have. And then you can put that back up. One last thing that this comes with the 2025 series, you do get a moonshade. So this moonshade will actually cover your back porch area, so you can be out there in different kinds of weather, can block the sun. A really nice new piece that they've added for the 2025 models. If you have any other questions, you'd love to come see this model, come see us here at All Seasons RV in Streetsboro, Ohio. My name is Dan, and we'll be here to answer your questions.